Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play your PS5 games on your phone. This is very easy. Just go up to the top to settings right here and scroll on down to where it says system. Now under here, go to remote play and make sure this is enabled for your account. And then you do have the option to pair the device. Maybe you don't have the same Wi-Fi internet connection or something like that. If you're using the mobile data, you're going to need this code on here. So if you ever need that, that's where it's located. And go to power saving, go to features available in rest mode. And make sure enable turning on PS5 from the network is turned on and stay connected to the internet is turned on. Now we want to go over to our phone. So let's open up our phone. If you have an iPhone or an Android phone, go on over to the store, go to the Google Play Store right here, and type in PlayStation app and get the PlayStation app and open it up right here. Now you might need to download the PlayStation Remote Play app too. So if I just type this in, remote play, and then go to here. So we need the PlayStation app and then the PS Remote Play app. So once we have both those, we can launch it now just through the PlayStation app. So if I open this up now, sign in with my email address and password, and then go over to Game Library right here. Go to Games, and here's your captures if you ever want to look at your video clips that are uploaded. But go to Games, here's Stardew Valley. I have to play this game a little bit more, and then we can go to play using remote play right here on the bottom. And if you're connected to the same Wi-Fi internet, it should automatically connect it and pair your PS5. But you can see in the background now it's going to launch the game, and it's going to search the internet for my PS5. And then I'm going to get a bunch of on-screen controls, and I can play my PS5 games from my phone. So it'd be very easy. And yeah, check this out. If you got to step away from your PlayStation 5 for whatever reason, you can bring this to, I don't know, a different location with you, and you can still play. Now, there's going to be some latencies, and you can see I'm connected in the background now. There it is. It's connected in the background, and my screen's going to go black now. And I'm going to get a bunch of on-screen controls. So you can see right here, here's all my on-screen controls. I can start playing from my phone. I can flip it around if I want to do it the long way. But yeah, check this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.